Welcome to the Godzone Country Shoulder Course 2025 with the best result for the patient, where everything on shoulder will be discussed in detail.
Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Babulkar from Pune, and I'm inviting you to the 2nd-3rd August GOC 2025, God's Own Country Shoulder Course 2025 at Kochi at the Crowne Plaza. Sujit Jose is organizing this, and given the past edition, we had great fun. It was an amazing meeting, and the location in Kerala was to die for. I myself will be speaking on the natural history of rotator cuff repair, in addition to why is reverse shoulder arthroplasty taking over arthroplasty. I will be doing a live arthroplasty for you, and if that doesn't satisfy you, then in the evening I'm going to talk on my scuba skills and my experiences with scuba across the world. There will be other famous faculty, including Bruno Toussaint from France, and so I don't want you to miss this course, especially for the amazing picturesque Kerala in August. So look forward to seeing you on the 2nd, 3rd August in Kochi.